Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone today? Do-da-do-da-day. How are we all doing? Hope you are all well. For anybody who doesn't know, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter Sapphire. And we also have our awesome team, hashtag Team Essences. Whether you are on the page or on our group, because I shall share it to the group. I'm on the page at the moment, but I shall also share this to YouTube. So do make sure you're following or subscribing. We absolutely love having you in our world. And if you follow and subscribe, you're more likely to get updates and find out what's going on within Elegant Essences and within Scentsy. So I've hopped on today because I wanted to have a little chat all about joining Team Essences and having your very own Scentsy business. Okay, and this is super exciting because there is a special promotion on this month. Alrighty, so who loves our gorgeous mini warmers? I'm sure you do. One of my favorite mini warmers is called Crowned in Gold. Now, I actually got this when it was first released the other year. Please excuse the weird wire system I've got going on. It would normally plug directly into the wall. It's just that I've got it on an extension so I can chat to you about it. So this is called Crowned in Gold. What an absolutely beautiful mini warmer. Let me just switch it on. Ooh, you see. How super is that? Can you see all the reflections? It is so pretty, so pretty. So this little glass mini warmer is £30. But for this month only, you could join Scentsy, have your own business for £30. Get this along with some other goodies. Let me turn this off and put it down so I can chat to you about the other goodies you get. So as well as that absolutely gorgeous mini warmer, you would get a bar of wax. Now the fragrance is actually black raspberry vanilla, which I haven't got with me at the moment, which is crazy because I absolutely adore that fragrance. I need to order myself some more. I've obviously used it all up. But you'll get a bar of wax, which will be black raspberry vanilla. You will get some little tester pots. So I have a bag of tester pots here, and you will get 25 of these little tester pots. Let me show you. So these look like this. Some people get very confused and think they're lip balms or something. They're honestly not. What they are is little wax pots of all different fragrances. So you can sit and sniff through them, and you can share them with friends and families to have a little sniff at all our amazing fragrances. So you would get 25 of these, all in different fragrances, in a little bag to share around and start your business. You would get 5 of our brand new spring summer catalogues. Okay, again, you'll be able to share these with friends and families, have a look through yourself. Obviously, I still keep, even though I've had it now for a few weeks, I still every so often have a little flick through in case I've missed anything. So you'd get 5 of these to share with friends and family. And you also get some fragrance stickers. These are super cute. So we often add these to orders. We'll stick them on bags, stick them in the catalogue, just so people can get to try the different fragrances. So you'll get some fragrance stickers as well. All of that, and have your own business for £30. Okay, so the cost of the warmer, let's bring it out again, is what you would pay. Isn't it pretty? So beautiful, so beautiful. Don't know if you can see, it's got like a gold bit round the edge, gold paint around the edge. Crowned in Gold, it's called. A little glass mini warmer there. So as I was saying, let me put that down again. And of course, you would become part of Team Essences, so you would get our support as well to help you start your own business. I'm going to share the link that you can click to join. If you've got any questions about running your own Scentsy business, then pop me a message. I am happy to chat to you about how we run our business, what we do, what's involved. what you need to know, which isn't an awful lot. You can literally run this just using your phone, or you can go more in depth. You can run it your way, and that is the absolute joy of it. And of course, your home always just smells absolutely flipping amazing. So if you want to know more, pop me a message. As I say, I'll pop the link to this amazing little kit in the comments so you can have a little look for yourselves. All right, my lovelies, you take care, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Don't forget to follow or subscribe, depending on what platform you're watching this on. Take care. Mwah. Bye.